My name is Leah Johnson. This is my 4th year teaching, and all 4 of my years have been right here at Claremore High School. When I found out I was being named Teacher of the Year here at Claremore High School, I was honestly very surprised, very honored as well, because I've only been teaching for 4 years, and I just love working here, and so to be recognized by my peers in that way was such a huge honor.
Ms. Johnson brings what we expect from all of our teachers to the high school. She expects excellence from her students. She expects them to persevere, collaboratively work together, think outside of the box, get outside of their comfort zones, and she just brings that level of rigor for her kids to a whole nother level.
Some of the most rewarding moments in my teaching career have been where students have bought their own cameras, and they're not necessarily in my class anymore, but they come by to show me the pictures they've taken or the videos that they've shot. And also the students that I've had that have graduated out of the program that have now gone off to either careers in media, they're freelancing, doing it on the side, or they're going to college for it. Seeing the work that they're doing out in the real world that I now get to be a part of and get to watch as a viewer instead of just their teacher has been very rewarding.
So Ms. Johnson brings Claremore High School to Claremore, whether it's football games, basketball games, graduation, lip dub, you name it, everything that our community gets to see about Claremore High School is because of Ms. Johnson and her kids.
I would say, looking back on my teaching journey, one thing that I've definitely learned is you have to be super flexible. There's always things changing, stuff shifting throughout the day as it goes on, and all students learn differently. So being able to adapt to that on the fly has been a huge skill. One thing I'm incredibly thankful for is all of the other people that have helped me be a better teacher, because teaching was not on my radar. And so being on this side of things as an educator now is so much more meaningful to me, because I became interested in media at the high school level at a very similar program where I went to high school. So being on this side of things and being able to show students the media around them and how it's made has been so incredibly meaningful, and I love being on this side of it. It feels very full circle.